Hi, welcome to my channel, and today's tutorial is a little bit different from my regular tutorials since it is about how to recover a burnt carpet. Yes, this piece of the carpet is really badly burnt since my sister put a hot iron over a cloth over the carpet and it left the cloth being stuck to the carpet. And on YouTube there is no way to fix this, and I was really disappointed. Then I tried to fix it on my own. So I took a blade from a sharpener basically and a tweezer to hold the burnt part to not get your hands injured, and just trimmed off the worst part or removed the cloth from the carpet. After that I rolled out the carpet, raised it a little bit to make it easy for trimming, and I started to trim it, and as you can see the fresh soft carpet was just showing. The trimming was so easy, that was not a hard job, and after that this is what I got. So yeah, we worked very hard on this because it was a very favorite carpet of my mom's, but I think she won't even feel that it was burnt since she doesn't know about that. So now it's clean and fresh. Yeah, a lot of dust came out. You can vacuum it, and my sister is still trying to clean it up, but the result is very awesome. There is no mark, no hardness. It's soft and clean like the fresh carpet. There is no marks. That's really a good job. I'm very happy with the results, and you can see it yourself. So that was a quick tutorial. I just wanted to share it with you because there is no such information on YouTube about this. And okay, if you like the content, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to visit my channel. I make different kind of videos.